Hey friends, if you encounter this issue that inetmgr is not found on your Windows 11 computer, it does not activate anything, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Here's the thing. On Windows computers, by default, the inet manager app is not activated. For this, you'll have to search for Windows and click on turn Windows features on or off. There's an option called Internet Information Services. Check all the boxes associated with it and its subsets. Click on OK. It will need a while to enable this feature, and after that is done, then it will be activating and applying the changes and activating all the features on your system. And once these are applied, start using the applications associated with it, and you will automatically notice the inetmgr.exe file appearing on your system, and you will be able to access the app too. But it will need a while. It needs a while to install the complete process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.